Okay, so we need to find a set of values satisfying this inequality. Okay, so the quadratic function here, where it's greater than or equal to 0. So the first thing we do is we consider, okay, the critical point. All right, so to find the critical point, we set the quadratic equal to 0. Okay, we'll look at those points where the quadratic graph, where the curve crosses the x-axis. So we need to solve this, and with a quadratic, we have two brackets. Okay, x at the start of both here, and then we need to simply find two numbers that multiply to give 10, add up to give 7. So those two numbers are 2 and 5. Okay, they multiply to give 10, add up to give 7, both positive. So then you've got then two brackets times together equal to 0. So one of them has got to be 0. So either the first bracket or the second bracket. So that means then x will be minus 2 when you solve the first bracket equal to 0, because you take the 2 over, it becomes minus 2. The same here then. Take the 5 over, it becomes minus 5. So those are your critical points. So when I draw then my quadratic curve, right, remember then it's going to be a smiley face. Okay, so we consider those values there. Minus 2, which will be there, and minus 5 about there. Okay, so just a rough sketch. There's your y-axis, there's your x-axis. So it's equal to 0, yeah, the curve is at those 2 points. So we can have a smiley face going through those 2 points there. Okay, so we'll turn it around, easier to draw. There's your smiley face there going through those 2 points. Now, remember I'm interested, obviously these are my critical points here, okay? I'm interested to work out which side, whether above or below those points I need to go. Okay, so I'm going to solve this inequality here. All right, so because I want the curve to be greater than 0, okay, I need to be above 0, don't I? Okay, I need my curve to be positive. All right, now it can equal 0 as well. Okay, hence the inclusivity there of this inequality, but it has to be positive, right? It has to be above the axis. So you can see then I've got two regions. So either, right, x is going to be less than, yeah? So all of these x values here will give me values on the curve which is positive, so less than or equal to minus 5. Or we can be in this region here, where x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So if x is above minus 2, then the graph is positive also.